do 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 do. Hello everyone, I am the bird and I am the bee, and welcome to the birds and the bees. Today our guest is red blood cell. I transport oxygen all over your body. Yeah, you do. So tell us, red blood cell, what is it like, transporting oxygen? I transport oxygen all over your body. Yeah, we know. I don't think he should be here. We should get a random guest. That is nonsense. He's probably just like sick or something. I don't know. Can you like talk normally? I transport oxygen all over your body. No, he cannot. This is a waste of time. So we should just stop. This was a really bad idea. Yes, I agree. Goodbye. I am the bird and I am the bee. And this was Birds and the Bee.